Heads up, procrastinators. We're just 9 days from this year's deadline to file your taxes. Now, if you didn't wait, your refund is on the way or already in your bank account. In tonight's Good Question, Jeff Wagner shares tips on how to make smart decisions with that financial boost.
Filing your taxes can be stressful, but daydreaming about how to spend that refund makes it worthwhile. A vacation, new car, front row seats to see your favorite band. Well, let's pump the brakes real quick.
To be honest, a lot of people have jobs where maybe they're not getting a bonus on a regular basis. So a sudden big check can feel like there's no time to plan, there's just time to spend.
Nick Folks is the lead advisor with Great Waters Financial. And while he wants you to enjoy some of that sudden bonus, discipline is key. So what are some smart ways to use your refund? Good question.
One of the smartest things that you can do is just, first of all, assess the major priorities.
For your family, is that top priority eliminating debt, saving for an emergency, or planning for an upcoming expense like a home repair or birth of a child?
Making sure that you have some type of nest egg for those upcoming expenses can be a really smart move as well.
I want to mention debt again because there are several ways it is a part of our lives. So which debt should you target with your refund? Think high interest, not high dollar amount.
Something like your student loan, which maybe has a smaller interest rate on it, or even something like a car loan that has a smaller interest rate on it, is not hitting you as hard as something with 19 or 22% interest rates on it.
Credit card debt fits that category, so make that your focal point before targeting lower interest loans. So we've made it clear that impulse spending isn't the route to go. But what are some other mistakes people tend to make with their return?
I think one of the primary mistakes is that people actually utilize that refund to purchase something that creates another payment in their household.
That could mean a down payment on a car or buying plane tickets for a trip, but using your credit card to fund the rest of it.
Well, what you've done is you've just increased the strain on your household income on a monthly basis. So don't utilize your refund to purchase more debt.
All that being said, Folks does want people to treat themselves or their family with their refund just in a reasonable manner. Think of it as a fun slice of your refund pie, with the other pieces focused more on financial stability. Jeff Wagner, WCCO News.
While a large refund can feel helpful, folks suggest adjusting your withholdings on your paycheck to increase your monthly income instead. If you have a good question for Jeff, it's easy to get a hold of him. Email him through WCCO.com.